Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to eventually perform the connection from our progressive web app to the Android app. To do that we will have to create an assetlinks.json file. We will create it using a free tool provided by Google. This is the tool that I just mentioned, and over here you can see the URL, which you can find also in the description below, as I said. In order to generate the file, we need to provide a few information in the form that you see on the page. First of all, you will have to specify your domain name. So in my case it's going to be taxitourcuba.com. That's it. Then we will need to specify the app package name. We will find this one in Android Studio. Let's get it. Right, we are back in Android Studio. So, where can we find the information we need? We go to App, we open the manifest folder, then we find the file which is called Android manifest.xml. We click on that, and boom, right on line 2, we will find the package name. In my case, is this com.taxitourcuba.myapplication. I will copy and paste that. Okay, back again to the statement link generator. Paste it like so. Here we are. Next, we need to provide the app package fingerprint. This is going to be a SHA-256. We will get this last piece of information from the Google Play console. Okay, we are now back to the Google Play console. You can already see the first green checks over here, which is very good news. Now, let's just look for the key that we need to generate our asset link file. You can find it here. You can see the symbol of a key and you click on it. This screen will open. You will scroll down and that's it. We found it. This is the element that we want to copy. There is a convenient button here and we will click it. Boom. Okay, we are now back to the digital asset link generator, and all we have to do is to paste the SHA-256 key that we had previously copied. We'll just get rid of this part, the SHA-256 colon bit of the string. We will cancel it. We are fine. And now press generate statement. Cool. Now, if we scroll down, you will see that over here, the tool generated this snippet of code, which we are going to copy like that. We will use the code generated this way to create an assetlinks.json file, which is going to allow us to establish the link from the website to the Android app. So I will now open my favorite text editor, which is Atom, to generate an assetlinks.json file. Okay, I just opened my Atom text editor and I'm here in the folder which contains all the files on my progressive web app. The first thing I want to do is to create a new folder. And I will open it like this. New folder, fine. Now I must assign a name to this folder. We must call it this way. Look, .well-known. Enter. And we will place it in the root of the project, like that. You may be wondering why I picked such a weird name for a folder, right? Well, in fact I didn't make the decision myself. I just read Google's documentation and I found that the assetlinks.json file must be placed inside a folder which is called this way. You can't change the name, otherwise the app will not work the way we expect it, and we will keep seeing the URL bar on top of our app. All we have to do at this point is to create our assetlinks.json file inside the folder that we just created. So we will go here, new file, we'll call it assetlinks.json. Now we will paste inside it the code snippet that was generated for us by the asset link generation tool. This way we can now save the file. Cool. This is pretty much done. All we have to do now is to upload this stuff into our server. I will do it using the command line. Okay, I've now opened my command line and I'm now ready to upload the assetlinks.json file and the folder which contains it. So I'm here, I will run this command scp -r, which stands for recursive because we are uploading a folder, and yes, enter. I will enter my password. Okay, that's it. The assetlinks.json file should be uploaded. Let's check that everything went smoothly. Now we want to check that the file was uploaded correctly. So we'll just type the URL of the file into our favorite browser. We click enter, and yeah, okay, we see that it can be accessed. This means that Google also will be able to find it and to establish correctly the connection between our progressive web app and our Android app. This concludes our video. In the next one, we are going to perform the final submission to Google Play.